Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to check someone's location on iPhone. To start this tutorial, locate your Find My application in your iOS device. Once you find it, tap on it. In here, you just need to click on the button that says Start Sharing Location. In here, you will see all the people that can see your location. In this case, it's my friend. Now, if you want to add more, click on the plus sign. In here, you can also see that there is a button that says Share My Location. Just tap on it. Now, open your settings application in your mobile device. In here, scroll down. And then go to Privacy and Security. The next step is to go to Location Services. Over at Location Services, scroll down once again. In here, look for System Services. Tap on it. In here, tap on Significant Locations. Make sure it's turned on. Or you could also follow the settings on my screen so that you'll be able to be guided accordingly. And then we will have the same settings. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.